Battery draining like crazy after Android 17 update, and you are not the only one. I have researched the best fixes, and in this video I will show you the settings that can help your battery last much longer. So first, the simple thing you have to turn on, that is dark mode. If your phone has an OLED display, dark mode can noticeably reduce battery uses. Especially if you use your phone throughout the day, I personally recommend to turn it on, and for this video we are using light mode so you can see everything more clearly. Next, open settings, go to accessibility, then color and motion, and make sure remove animation is turned off. While you are in accessibility, go to vibration and haptics and turn off vibration feature you don't really need, such as keyboard vibration, touch feedback, or media vibration. So reducing unnecessary vibration can help save battery. Now go back to settings, tap connected devices, then connection preference, and here you have to select printing. Open default print service and turn it off. This prevents your phone from constantly searching for nearby printers in the background. Most people never check these settings, but it can quietly drain your battery over time. Another common reason for battery drain is using mobile data all the time. Whenever possible, connect to Wi-Fi instead. Cellular connection usually use more power, especially in areas with a weak signal. If Wi-Fi isn't available where you are, don't worry, we still have plenty more ways to improve your battery life. Next, you just have to open settings, then battery, tap battery uses, and here you will see which apps are using the most battery. If you notice an app draining battery that you rarely use, open it and turn off allow background uses or restrict its background activity. This next setting is one of the most important, so don't skip it. While you are in battery, open battery saver, then tap adaptive battery and make sure it's turned on. This feature learns how you use your apps and limits background activity for apps you don't use often. This is actually helping extend your battery life. Now open settings, then location. Review the apps that have location access and turn it off for apps that don't need it. Many apps continue checking your location in the background, which can drain your battery over time. Also, if you're using the new app bubbles feature in Android 17, close any bubbles you are no longer using. Leaving multiple bubbles open can keep apps running in the background and use extra battery. Next, go to settings, then notification, turn off notification for apps you don't need. Every notification can walk your screen, trigger vibration, or run background activity, all of which use battery. You're almost done, and these last two tips can make a noticeable difference. Finally, open settings, then display and touch, turn on adaptive brightness so your screen automatically adjusts based on your surroundings. Then scroll down and make sure always on display is turned off if you don't use it. Also consider turning off smooth display. It makes scrolling feel smoother, but it also uses more battery. If you enjoy the smoother experience and your battery life is still good, you can leave it on. But if you're dealing with heavy battery drain, turning it off is definitely worth trying. Lastly, don't overlook your charger. Use a high-quality USB PD charger and a certified cable for safe and efficient charging. Also, avoid heavy gaming or recording video while charging, since excess heat can reduce your battery long-term health. And that's it for me. Try these tips to get better battery life on Android 17 and let us know which one worked best for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till end.